Hey friends, welcome to Bhairevi Arts. My name is Akshita Kamath and today I am going to draw uh, Bageshwar Dam Sarkar ji. Uh, so I have taken this photo from the Google image and this I'm just putting an outline here first. Here I am using Doms color pencil and I'm doing pencil color. So here I'm just using the freehand drawing method. Okay, you can use grid method, but I preferably use freehand drawing method, and just by observing I just do it. Okay, and while doing this you need a lot of corrections, like this will be the first rough sketch, and then you have to do just through your observing things, observing the measuring areas, you need to do that. Okay, whereas in the grid method there will be, you will be first only measuring like this much centimeter into this much centimeter, and then in each boxes what is drawn that you need to draw, right? So it's a grid method is something different, and this is freehand drawing. So someone requested me to do this, so that is why I'm doing. So this will be the part 1, and rest of the parts I will upload in the next week, and all my art will be uploaded uh, on Sundays and Wednesdays. Okay, so next of coming week I'll upload the rest of the parts too. So do subscribe and like my channel, and if you have any doubt friends, you can just message me in Bhairavi Arts page, or you can even write it in the comment section. Okay, so here I'm doing the eyes. Okay, always remember while doing the eyes the proportions is divided. Okay, the face is divided, and the nose, how much long it has to come, you need to check it by the proportions. But if you're following the grid method, all these things will doesn't come, because as you do the same in the same type of in one square that eyes on another square eye, so automatically the proportion will come in that method. Okay, whereas in this method you need to measure on your own freehand drawing, and you need to have a lot of observation skill. Okay, so now I'm doing the mouth, but this is just a rough sketch, so I have been using eraser a lot of times here just to correct the whole thing. Okay, um, see, I'm just measuring the measurement through the pencil itself and drawing this. Okay, so here there is nothing a big like you need not use a scale as such for that. Pencil only you can just use and do the art. Okay, so if you want me to draw any specific art friends, you can write in the comment section, and you can request me. This also is an art which is requested by somebody, so I'm doing it. Okay, so now the pencil work is almost done, but the thing is, as by observing you need to correct it, because whenever you draw any art, before you draw the sketch, make sure the art has come properly. Okay, so I have I'm rubbing the art now, but I have, and make sure the looks comes in the similar way. Before that, you just check out the whole art has come in the similar way or not. Okay, and then you just draw this. Okay, so now I'm just doing this. I have taken here red color and just very lightly using this color, because once you do it dark, then you cannot correct it, right? So just why I'm doing it very lightly. So, and always remember, just layer by layer you need to add. Okay, so this is the first light layer I'm doing, and slowly you need to add colors to it, like darker shades, lighter shades. Lighter shades, if you first only do the darker shade, right, then you cannot correct it. Okay, so firstly always do it very lightly. Okay, so I'm doing, applying very lighter shades, and then how will you blend it, that makes the art, more good or look more beautiful, right? So now that is why I have done one layer. Now I'm just adding another layer, that is by orange color. Okay, so now I'm taken orange color and just adding it, that. And in the meanwhile I'm taking red color and just making wherever there is red shades. Okay, I'm adding that. Okay, if you want this video to be slower, you can just go to the YouTube settings, and whereby you can slower this video and see this it step by step slowly. If you're checking step by step and following the drawing, you can just change the settings. So go to the speed and lower the speed and just see that. Okay, so here I'm completing the darker shade. Okay, only the pressure is only the things is works here. So if you want the art to be, wherever there is darker shade, just use a little bit of more pressure on the pencil. Okay, and just blend it with the lighter color. Okay, so I'm just doing both together. Okay, so now I'm just taking black color and just adding black to the wherever there are blacker shades. So I'm just adding the black color to show that it will, the shades, comes out very neatly. Okay. So now I'm just blending these both colors, that is the light red and light orange and black. Okay, I'm blending it with red. Okay. Do like and subscribe my channel, friends, and do share it in your WhatsApp group. And this video is not only for people who just love to do art, who really love to look the art, how the art is, how well the art is to be done, or the step by step they can see, right? Even though many people who don't draw, right, they really love to see how the art has been done, right? So even those people can subscribe and learning. And if you want to learn, you can learn too, and for learning there is no age, right? You can learn anything in any age group, right? So I'm just finishing the hair now. Hair I have done just lightly for now because I don't want it to do dark, because as it is a black color, you need to use black very carefully always, friends. Okay. So because black is something which, it once you have done, you cannot correct it, right? It's a black color and very dark color, right? So now I'm just doing the skin tone, and skin tone I have taken skin color and doing it very lightly. So wherever there is a whiter shades, I'm just leaving there that part of area and doing the other way, other side. Okay. So this is the video whereby only part 1 I have done. So this whole art will be divided into 3 parts. So I'm gonna upload it soon, next week, and obviously final part with the whole song I'll be uploading later. So whoever don't want the tutorials like my voice, and they can just see that video, whereby one single final video I'll be uploading with the soundtrack in the back, and the whole video will be in the one video. The whole 3 parts will be in the one video. Okay. So you can just check even that. So here I'm just taking brown color. So always remember, don't directly use black color. Just make sure you take very light brown color and draw it, so that whenever if you go wrong also, you can just correct it there. So black is something which, you use it very carefully. Okay. I have used here Dom's color, friends. So Dom's pencil. So Dom's pencil is very cheapest pencil, and the color also will come very nice. So you can buy that, but it's only 100 rupees. Okay, whereby you're going to getting it full this. Okay. Otherwise, whatever pencil you're having, even Camel pencil is okay. So if whatever material you're having, work with that. Don't go just buy unnecessarily. Okay. If you're having Camel pencil, even that is good. So any pencil, learning is important, right? So you can learn with any pencil. And the texture is something, each and every pencil has different texture, and that is fine. As long as you're learning, it is fine. Buy only when you are doing any professional art, then only buy any good pencils, like expensive pencils. Okay. So now I'm just doing this hair, and that too it's also very lightly. I'm not blending it. Okay. So I have completed eyes, but still there are a lot of work. Okay.